Back in 1938, Mitch Pearson Sr. purchased 2.2 acres and a private lane off of Knickerbocker Road in Pittsford. He went about creating an 8,200 square foot home, one of the most remarkable and incredible properties you're ever going to experience in all of Rochester. Come on inside. Our story begins in the year 1712 in Haverhill, Massachusetts. John Hutchins, a ship's carpenter, owned an 8-room house that was dismantled and moved here to Pittsford. This room is one of the rooms of that property and became the central core around which the remainder of this house was built. Using this as a starting place, the architect Brian Fleming then incorporated architectural elements from around the country and created a masterpiece. This door is a reproduction of a similar door in the American wing of the Metropolitan Museum of Art. This lamp was made by the Adams family in Massachusetts. Yes, that Adams family. This woodwork is taken from a house designed by Samuel McIntyre in Salem, Massachusetts in 1785. Casement windows and iron balconies came from a house designed by Stanford White in Buffalo. Stone and other architectural features were salvaged from a Catholic cathedral here in Rochester that was demolished by the Eastman Kodak Company. The current owners have invested more than $1 million in upgrades, including a full replacement of this slate roof. Throw it all together, you've got a spectacular 6-bedroom, 5.5-bath residence. If you have questions in regard to this property or real estate in general, give me a call, 330-8750.